Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Nothing says summer like getting out on the grill and doing some cooking, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do some grilled Mexican corn. I'll be using some corn from California. It's nice and bright and yellow, sweet and delicious. This is a prime time for their harvest in California, May and June. But learn this recipe, and when our wonderful corn comes out here in Ontario, Canada, you'll be ready for this fantastic recipe to share with your family and friends. First, we'll get down to the sauce. We're gonna lather this on after we grill the corn. The flavors are wonderful. You can tweak it the way you like it, as with any other recipe. Make it your own. Let's get to the sauce. Barbecue's preheated to a medium to high heat. I have some garlic butter here I'm going to set off to the side. Just a couple tablespoons of butter and some finely diced garlic. We'll baste our corn halfway through on the grill. Now we've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a popular topping for grilled corn in Mexico. And then we'll add to it a half a cup of sour cream. And we'll season this with some Chipotle Chili Pepper. Now, this has a bit of heat to it. I got a half a teaspoon. You can adjust that to more or less, whatever it is you prefer. But it gives it a smokiness flavor. And then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. We'll use more after when we take it off the grill. And then some cilantro to taste. I love cilantro. Put as much or as little as you like. And then just a squeeze of some fresh lime. I got a half a lime here. We'll be using a little more after. So we'll mix this all up. Set it in the fridge. You can do this before you're cooking your corn, so it's all ready for your guests. So let's get out to the grill. Our grill is preheated, medium to a high heat. Put these right on the grill. It's only take about 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through or so, we'll baste it with some garlic butter. Just want to get some char marks on there and until the corn is tender. The corn is fresh off the grill. This is when you let your guests get involved. You put your sauce, your lime, and your Parmesan on the side and let them go to it. Let's fix one up. So we have our corn and our 3 ingredients here that we need. Our sauce that we made, some fresh lime, and fresh grated Parmesan. You can serve it up just like this. Put the corn out, put the 3 ingredients out, and let the guests enjoy it as they wish. Or you can prepare it. So we're gonna start off with our sauce. Lather that on generously. Use a brush to apply it on there. Find that works out well. And then next, we'll be putting some fresh lime. You know, you could cut these up into thirds, and you could serve it as an appetizer as well. It's a bit messy, have some napkins on hand. And next, our freshly grated Parmesan. And that's it. I found these handy little plastic corn containers online. What a great way to serve it up. Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. There was lots of options there, as with any recipe. Change it up, add something, take something out, make it your own. That's what cooking's all about. Enjoy it. Now, if you come up with an idea, you want to share it with me, you can contact me on YouTube or on my Facebook at In the Kitchen with Pete. Or there's something you'd like to see, drop me a line, I'll see if I can do it. Well, now I get to try the goods. It's going to be a messy one. Let's give it a go. Oh my. The Parmesan and the lime pops out, that crunchy corn, the cilantro. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.